Like, what did you even do that for? What was the purpose? You didn't hit no one. You certainly wasn't close to hitting me. What the f was the purpose of that? Try harder, bitch. Oh my god, okay, he's pissed. Oh, we only gotta shoot at the center now. Let's go. Let's go. Evasion. Evasion. Get out of here. Uh-oh. Let's go. Whatever can help. Whatever helps. Whatever can help. Let's go! And I didn't have to use none of my great, good ammo. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. I'll see you on that train.
Target has been neutralized. Ending quarantine.
What do you mean target has been neutralized? I know target has been neutralized, but y'all say that like we were in this together. Y'all didn't have nothing to do with this shit. This was all me. Stupid bitch. Let's go. Cause he doing what the fuck is he talking about?
Is now operational.
I knew them grenades would do a lot of damage. They would come in handy for real. I'm gonna use this first aid so I don't have to take up an extra inventory spot. What is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We in there like swimwear. We in there like swimwear. Let's go. Suck my dick, bitch. Suck my dick, bitch. Suck my dick, bitch. That first death was a fluke. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Eat shit. Let's go check on my girl. Sherry, everything's gonna be good. Your mom brought you the dope, the antidote, man. Everything should be all good in the hood now.